What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to use Camel Crusher. Right here, Camel Crusher. It's pretty easy, it's gonna be quick explain. Let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. So every time I use Camel Crusher, I always use the preset. So I'll go this preset, then British Clean. That's the best for me. That's one of the best preset I use. Camel Crusher. You can use different. You can use this annihilate. You can use Drain, Basemaker, British High Gain, Destroyer, all those good stuff. Let's hear it without Camel Crusher. Oh yeah, Camel Crusher is, you use that to make your melody, your kick, your bass, to make it louder and fatter. Hear that? Without Camel Crusher. With Camel Crusher. You guys hear the difference? It's much louder. I usually use that on my lead only, on my drop. So I use British Clean preset. Here's the master, the volume, mix. Here, make them softer. Filter. You can filter, which is nice. Compressor. You can actually use the fan mode. I just put them in mid. Yeah, I just put them in the mid. I don't go really crazy on the distortion. I just put them on 2. I pretty much use British Clean preset, or crunch. Let's hear the crunch. Yeah, that sounds not that good. So British Clean is one of the best to use for me. Cut off. So on the filter, just use this full. On the master, yeah, British Clean Crusher preset is the best. And you can also create automation clip if you want. If you want to filter it, so you just do this, click this, see that, click that, and move this filter right here. Then right click, create automation clip. There you go. Show Camel Crusher automation clip filter. Okay, do that. That's the filter. That's it guys. It's pretty easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.